Friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will talk about recently asked images in Duolingo English test, and that you all know this is time for 3 seconds and this is a picture flashcard images. Okay, so one picture image in front of you and you have to give the answer within a 3 seconds. So let's begin with the video. Recently asked images in this examination. Okay, but before that, if you are new in my channel, do not forget like, share and subscribe Hetal's Cornerstone. So let's begin with the first image. You will find in the examination in front of you this type of image. So you can call cloud or sky, or might be this type of image. So this is a perfect image of cloud or sky, right? I try to provide you all the images which are recently asked, right, in the examination of Duolingo. So what you can call birds? No. Sky? No, because birds are flying in the sky. Okay, might be this type of image you will find in the examination. So you have to speak out perfectly. Birds are flying in the sky. Next, see bird. If you do not know the name of this bird, then you have to speak the bird. Do not know the name of the animal, so first you can speak animal. But if you know the name, specific name, so you have to speak that name. Like this, these birds are flamingo, 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 or might be this type of image you will find. So flamingo. What you can call eagle, 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 or this eagle. Next might be this type of image you will find. We will see orange, or if there is a more than one, this is called oranges, right? You must know the difference between singular and plural. I know you all are aware, but this is a prime responsibility of mine to aware you, right? Because you make some silly mistakes. What do you call peanuts? Peanut, peanut. If there is a one, then you have to call peanut. More than one, like this, so you have to call peanuts. Peanuts, peanuts. Right. Next, we will see this is a bags, but not bag. If you do not know perfect name, so this looks like some bags, but paper bags, paper bags, or this bags color bagged, printed or plain, but name is a paper bag. One, what you can call animal, but the name is a kangaroo, Kangaroo, kangaroo. Next, this type of image you will find. So this is the name of animal. Next, which one is this? We can call cotton, cotton plant, yeah, cotton flower, but name if you don't know, then you have to speak out. Cotton, 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 or this is a cotton balls, right? Next we will, this is a, looks like a brush, right? So we can call paint brushes set, right? Or this makeup brushes set, or brushes sets, right? This paint brush, or this first one is a makeup brushes set, right? If there is a one, then brush. Okay, so this is a paint brushes set and makeup set. Next, or this is also makeup brushes set. We'll see what's newspaper, right? Newspaper. Furthermore, sunflower, right? If you will see one sunflower, more than that, plural word. This is a picture image of flower, but you know the name, then you have to speak out the name, specific name, like a sunflower. Another one we will see wash basin, or this wash basin, WASHVABASIN, wash basin, or this. So this image are with for 2 or 3 days, or I will provide you also speaking and writing topic also which are recently asked in the examination after this video. Next, tomatoes, tomato. Next, what you can call, any idea? Pepper punch, PAPER PUNCH, pepper punch, or this type of pepper punch, right? I have provided you different type of images, so whatever the image you will find in the examination, and instantly you can speak out the name paper punch, right? If this type image will ask you. Next one, this is a chalk stick. More than that, plural, chalk stick, right? Next, we'll see what is this. You can find out this a candle or candles or candlesticks. Okay, this otherwise if you want to go more specification, so white candlesticks, red candlesticks, this way you can pronounce it, you can pronounce, right? This is a what you can call coffee beans, COFFEEBEANS, coffee beans, right? Coffee beans. Further, this is a normally all are eating these beans, kidney beans, KIDNEYBEANS, kidney beans, or this type of image you will find. So if you find this type of image, then you have to speak. If you do not know the name, speak simply beans. If you know, kidney beans. Next one, iron, or might be this or this one, so we can call iron. Addition, this is a stapler, 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 or this one, or this find. So this is an image of stapler, right? Next, what you can call wrapping paper or gift wrapping paper. So this is a gift wrapping paper. So this type of image, right? Both are the perfect image of gift wrapping paper. If you do not know the name of gift, so simply you can speak wrapping paper. Which image is this? Ear pads, ear cushions, right? Or might be this. So simply name a ear pads, right? Next you will see this is a chickpea. Chickpea, or more than that, chickpeas, or this might be this. They will ask you this type of image, right? Not this one, first one or third one. This is the image of chickpea. Next we will sparrow, 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 or this, or next what you can call dolphins, DOLPHIN, dolphin, or this image, right? Perfectly is a beautiful picture of dolphins, right? Or dolphins are playing in the water. Might be you can speak in this way, right? If you do not go for some specification, right? Next, what you can call, these are asked in the recently before a day, right? People are watching movie in the cinema, or people are watching movie in the theater, right? People are watching movie in cinema, or this image. If you find this image, then perfectly will show that people are watching movie in cinema. Thank you guys, thank you for support, and I have also collected all the topics for speaking and writing and interview questions. So give me few days, just 2 or 3 days. I will try to provide you all the conclusive list of speaking and writing, right? And if you have any queries, so please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you that all the queries answered, right? So thank you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye now. Be prepared.